This is the view from Villa 36 at InterContinental Ras Al Khaimah. I can't get out because I can't actually open the door at the moment, but the hotel runs around in a big arc right to the center of the picture as it is now. And out of sight to the right-hand side, there is the blue ocean. I've got lovely outdoor seating. I've got lovely indoor seating. Let's have a look and see what I've got round here. Oh, look at this. Girl ahead with pink high heels. Here's the entertainment center. Oh gosh, it's only 19 degrees. I'm going to have to do something about that. It's very, very pleasant. I love the carpet, the color of sand and the color of the water. Enormous screen. Powder room. Safe. Sun hat. Robe with my initials on it. I like the shelving for the towels. Ah, this robe's got Mary on it. The shower is good because the controls are just out of sight on the right-hand side. You can turn the shower on without getting wet, and the toiletries are low enough for you properly to be able to push down on the pumps. Bow d'Afrique by Rado. Sensibly, the curtains have a darker color at the base, at the hem. Another carpet, same colors, but different patterns. Good light to read by. And USBs, of course, and international sockets. Well, here I am in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE.